Welcome everyone. In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download topographic map for United States. Once you open your browser, just type in TopoView and hit the button search. Now you can see the first link, TopoView National Geologic Map Database. So it is being provided by the United States Geological Survey and it is only available for United States. Now click on the first link and you can see the option view and download maps now. You can click on here and another tab will be open. Wait for a few seconds. So now on the map you can see the regions, the red color which has been highlighted. So those are the regions where the topo sheets are available. So we can download it for this region which has been highlighted in red color. You can see some part of Alaska as well. And now let us download the topo sheet. So for example, let me zoom into a particular location, or you can directly search here. You can directly put on the place and search on the top. You can find the option search bar over here. So you can see here Washington. So I'm just zooming to this location and I'm going to now click on this location. So after clicking on this location, you can see the topo sheets which are available will be listed over here, and we can just select in the year. For example, you can just, for example, if you want it from 1950 or 1960, you can drag this bar on the top and you can select the years accordingly from which year you need. Here in this case, I am going to select 1950 to 2022. So this is the timeline, and after that, you can choose the scale. For example, if you just need a 24,000 scale, you can just select it. Only that scale maps will be shown below. So likewise, you can customize it, and after that, you can see you can download the JPEG file or GeoTIFF or KMZ or GeoPDF. So you can download from any of this format. For example, in this case, I am going to download the GeoTIFF format. So I have just click on the GeoTIFF and you can see here the download has been begun. And you can just see here the download has been completed. Let me show you to you the folder. So just click on the show in folder option. So let us extract the file here. And let me show you how this file looks like. So this is how the file looks like. You can have a look at it on the 24,000 scale. So likewise, you can download the topo sheets for United States. So if you want, you can georeference it using the ArcGIS. You can georeference those topo sheet. So thanks for watching.